Go to the search area and type this code here. We will provide the code in the description as well. Go to Go. Wait for 5 seconds and download will start. Loading the application, either directly click on Settings or press the Home button. Go to Extreme Right Settings and go to My Fire TV. Press OK 7 times on about. You will get this small notification. Press the OK button 4, 3, 2, 1 times and no need. Then press the back button. Go to Developer Option Switch on this ABD option. Then go to Install unknown apps from this source and switch on the downloader. Then press the Home button. Go search again. Type here downloader and open the application.